let's move on. Let's go a bit to see what's in here. Okay, so first what we see is our zoom. Okay, you can feel it. Okay, you can also use your scrolling of the mouse. Okay, so if I want to have more zoom, for example, I'll do this. Okay, then I can do this. Also, you can just move the space between your viewers. Okay, here we have our media pool. We also have the FX library. Okay, so all that is here too. And also we have also the same effects as we had. There's also transitions and things here. Okay, so here are the effects. Okay, tools are our effects like these ones, the ones we saw here. Okay, so it's pretty much the same. Okay, then there are also the templates, okay, of titles, you can see here. And be careful because some of them, every time you click, you add some, okay? So you can also work like this, or you can just do it here, okay? There's also, this is 3D, okay, which we're gonna see that 3D really is like one group of these inside one image, okay? We're gonna see too, but a 3D has its own media out, okay? You need to create a media out of 3D letters too, okay? And then you can add it as a node, okay, in your full image, all right? So another thing to know, okay, we are gonna close the effect libraries. We can also see here the clips, okay, of our timeline. So we should change, okay, in case we wanna just do other images, okay, just work on other images, okay. Now we're working on that one. This is red, okay. And what else we have here? Clips, notes, we can hide it too, okay. And then we're gonna go to these windows, okay. I'm gonna show my media pool, okay, because here there's things you can look, okay, like 3D, 2D viewer. Okay, you can add things here, waveforms, so you can see a bit the light. Okay, also this switch to a view, switch to a view. Okay, this we switch one to the other. Okay, now I'm gonna put this NVIDIA 1, which is the one I want. Okay, and also these the dimensions. Okay, so really the most useful tools that you need are here. The notes, all these are just details. Okay, also we see these three dots, that is like options, okay, of viewing this viewer or this one, okay, in case of this one. Okay, but not really very important things you need to know here. I mean, these viewers, the most important thing is that this one is always going to be your final result, your media out, and this one can be whatever you want to look at the moment. Okay, this is very good because in case that I don't find where I did the mistake that is creating me a problem in my overall image, I can just select my merge. Okay, this I can see it here. I can see this here, my text. Okay, so I can just see all the process and in which place I did the mistake. Okay, because I can see all my things here individually. Okay, with my number one. Okay, before the next node comes, so I can see the mistakes in case there's one. Okay, so this is the most important thing, and then the most important thing also is to understand this line that we have here, down here, okay? So this, as you can see, 0, 1, 2, if I use my arrows, as we did with the edit, this is going frame by frame. Okay, so we know that in this clip that we are in our edit page, okay, here is all the frames of this clip. And why is this important? Because now we're gonna do our first motion. We're gonna animate something. Okay, this, if you want to see it less zoom, okay, the zoom here is by holding this bar and just moving it left or right. Okay, as you can see, I have the loop already. You can deactivate, and when this finish, it's not gonna reproduce again. If you have this, it's gonna keep reproducing all the time. I always have it on in Fusion. Okay, here the volume control. If you don't wanna listen your audio because you just wanna focus in your image, you can just mute it. Okay, and here again we have these ones which we already know. Okay, end of the clip, start of the clip. Okay, the J also works here. Okay, but works like it works not as well, because obviously every time you reproduce it's when it renders. Okay, so every time you're reproducing this, it's gonna render, and then when it's all reproduced, you're gonna see it here without this red thing. Okay, because this is telling you that this needs to be rendered. Okay, so you need to reproduce it all in order to render all. Okay, that's why if we just press K, I, L, even if I press it 3 times, it's slow because it's processing. Okay.